Hi, my viewers, welcome to my third lesson under exoskeleton, part C, vertebral column. So that the vertebral column consists of bones called vertebrae. In human being, there are 33 vertebrae, and the vertebrates are separated from each other by the cartilage called intervertebral disc. These discs are the following function. Function number 1, act as a cushion that absorbs shock. It also reduces frictions between the vertebrae. It makes vertebrae column flexible by allowing a certain degree of movement. From there, we will talk about the type of vertebral column. We have cervical vertebrae, which found on the neck region. We have thoracic vertebrae, which found on the chest region. We have lumbar vertebrae, found in abdomen. We have sacral, then we have cardiac vertebrae. Now, when you check the common vertebrae existing, we want to see the parts that, like, you have neurospine. The function of neurospine is to increase surface area for attachment of muscles. We have neuroact, which give the shape of neurocanal, and they have neurocanal, which allow the passage of blood vessels and nerves. Then we have transverse process, also increase surface area for attachment of the muscles. Then we have sternum. Sternum is the one bearing the weight of the skull. Bearing the weight of the skull. Now, we have common characteristics of common vertebrae. Number 1, we can say they have reduced neurospine. They have narrow neurocanal. They have also reduced transverse process. Now, if we check the questions in KCSE, check the question in KCSE 2014. Question in KCSE 2014. The question was like this: name the cartilage found between the bones of the vertebrae column. We say that cartilage is called intervertebral discs. Our last part B, state the function of the cartilage. Number 1, it acts as shock absorber. It reduces the frictions between the vertebrae, and also is flexible, allow the movement of the bone in a certain degree. Then lastly, a question in the year 2016, they asked state the characteristics that is common to all cervical vertebrae. That cervical vertebrae we have not discussed, but we want to discuss in our next lesson. Please remain tuned.